This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so the question is, how do you change the name of your Shopify store? And I'm going to show you how to do this. It's super easy. All you need to do is from your home screen, you will see down in the bottom left settings. So you're going to click that. I've already gone into settings because my recorder bar here doesn't allow me to click into settings. So I've already clicked into it. So from the settings page, you're going to see all these options. All you're going to need to do is go to General. And from this page, you're going to see your store details, and we have my store name, which is Wanderer Test Drive right now. If I want to change this, I'm just going to change it to Wanderer Development. And you can change this whatever you need to change it to. And all you have to do is click Save. All right, so my store details have now changed to reflect the new store name, Wanderer Development. So if I go to my online store here, you should see the reflected changes. Give it a second to load up here. And there it is, Wanderer Development. Now, some of you may be wondering, how do I change this subdomain right here? I want it to say the same thing. I want it to say Wanderer Development as well. Now, unfortunately, you're not able to change your subdomain. You can only change it if you create a new store. So once you create a store, make sure that the subdomain is what you want it to be, or you're going to have to create a new store in order to change your Shopify subdomain. The one way around this is if you use your own custom domain. So if you buy a domain, on GoDaddy or etc., you can add your own custom domain. So what would be, I could get wanderdevelopment.com, and I could put this in there as a custom domain, and then it would say, wanderdevelopment.com instead of wandererdevsite.myshopify.com. Hope that answers your question, and I hope you have a great day. Hi everyone, so the question...
If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.